Okay, you've introduced, you've administered, and now you have the form back in your hands. How do you score the ORS? Each of the lines on the ORS, if you're using the paper and pencil version, are 10 centimeters in length, or they should be. Make sure when you access the measures from whichever site you do so, you measure before you begin to administer those lines. Sometimes when they print out on a particular computer, they'll be a little bit longer than 10 centimeters or a little bit less. You need to make sure that when they print out on your machine, they're 10 centimeters. Otherwise, scoring will become incredibly complicated. So each line 10 centimeters long. You measure starting using your metric ruler from the left-hand side, measure in centimeters to the nearest millimeter of the client's mark on each of the 4 lines. Let me say that again. Measure in centimeters to the nearest millimeter of the client's mark on each of the 4 lines, and then you're going to add the 4 lines together. 4 10-centimeter lines, that means the total possible number of points on the measure is 40. When the client's marks are falling to the left-hand side, they're indicating that they don't feel that their functioning is good in that particular area. And so lower scores tend to indicate that the client is dissatisfied with or distressed by their functioning overall and in that particular area. Once you score the ORS, you're going to want to plot it on the graph that accompanies the measures when you access them from the web. Each time you get a total score, you're going to plot that on the graph. That way, you and the client can look back at the present session and the prior sessions to see whether or not progress is being made.